Hi everyone, welcome back to Slade Secrets YouTube channel. So we do have another wig from Amazon to talk about. This is a completely new vendor. The vendor that I ordered from is called OseMy. They have this super cute synthetic lace front wig that I had to order. It's 24 inches long. You know I love my curls and you know I love long hair. So I had to order it and try out this new vendor. The pictures online look super cute, so I went ahead and took a leap of faith. So here's the package. It comes in this big box, which is super exciting. So guessing by the size of this box is going to be a lot of hair. And that excites me even more. You know, big hair, big curls, long hair. I gotta have it. It has to come home. But enough chit chat, let's go ahead and open this box. Okay, so here's the package. The logo on here does say A to Z wig. However, on the label right here, it says OseMy lace front wig, heat resistant. And then of course it says made in China. Let's go ahead and get this hair out this bag. So in the package, they give you a wig cap. So along with the wig cap, they did give a little brochure of other wigs that they are trying to promote. And there's also a thank you card, and on the back side of the thank you card is a little incentive, so definitely look into that. Go ahead and get your free money. But anyways, the hair.
Look at all this hair. Oh my goodness.
Okay, let's get started. So the first topic is initial shedding. So I'm going to do my normal comb through. So there is some light shedding. So this is the amount of hair that came out from doing my comb through. So it does have some light shedding. It's a synthetic wig and it's curly, so it's expected to have light shedding. Not too worried about it, but it does shed. The next topic is true to length. This hair is supposed to be 24 inches long, so let's double check. Okay, so I have the measuring tape starting at the middle clip of the wig, and I have it stretched all the way down. And majority of the curls stop at the 24 inches mark. Some of the curls go past it because I assume from me combing my fingers through the hair.
Here, let me give you a closer look.
So it's safe to say it's true to length. So I will go ahead and give them a point for true to length. Now let's talk about the smell. I will say the hair smells different. It doesn't smell bad. It kind of smells like, a brown paper bag. I know that's weird, but you know the smell of paper, but specifically a brown paper bag. I mean, it doesn't smell bad, but it just smells like a brown paper bag. I don't know any other way to explain it, but yeah, it smells different. It doesn't smell like brand new hair, but it doesn't stink, so can't be mad at them for smelling different. But I don't think it smells bad, so this hair will pass for smell. There's nothing that shampoo and conditioner can't take care of anyways. I'm pretty sure at minimum just adding some hairspray or some sort of hair product to this wig, but it doesn't smell bad at all. I don't think so. So kudos to that. So the hair texture is soft. The curls are very soft on this wig, and the hair has lots of volume. These curls are pretty bouncy.
This hair has volume for days.
Now the vendor considers the curl pattern for this wig just as curl. That's it. So I would say this is like a deep curl or a deep wave. They're so pretty. So as you can see, the top is fine, but as you get towards the bottom, it does tangle a little bit. So this hair does tangle, but it's just at the bottom. But again, this is a synthetic wig, so it is expected to tangle and shed a little bit. So nothing new. And And the hair ends, they look good. The hair ends look good, they're not dry at all. For this to be a synthetic wig, the ends on this wig are good. They're not dry, they're good. So kudos to that. Now let's talk about the inner structure of the wig.
Folding the wig inside out.
So this is the front of the lace.
It doesn't look like this lace has much parting space, but of course we will measure it.
So far, what you can see from the front of the lace is that there are wig clips for this wig. So these 3 wig clips are the only wig clips on this wig. So I'll go ahead and show you the back so you can see that for sure.
And this is the back of the wig.
There is no bottom wig clip. But they do have the little drawstrings right here to help with the security in the back of the wig and the wig overall.
The structure in the back of the wig is constructed like most wigs you would find on Amazon. What makes this wig different is that in the middle is mostly cap, and then on both left and right sides it's a net. So this wig should be very breathable on your head.
So let's go ahead and measure the lace. The vendor says that this lace front is supposed to be 13 by 4 inches long. So let's go ahead and double check it. So this is how deep the lace is. The hairline is right here. So you see where the measuring tape stops? It stops at 2.5. So this wig is only 2.5 inches deep. You see that? This is where the hairline stops, right here. So this wig is not 4 inches deep. This wig is 2.5 inches deep. So they should definitely update their description on Amazon because this wig is not 4 inches deep. So let's check if it's 13 inches wide. So this wig is inside out. So this is the left side. I'm bringing it all the way to the right side.
The lace stops right where my thumb is, and that is the 12.5 inch mark.
So it is not 13 inches long. So on the side of the lace is only 1.5 inches of lace that you get. That's it, 1.5 inches. So right here, this is the right side of the wig where you only get a 1.5 inches of lace. So this is the right side of the wig, and this section right here is the middle of the wig. So where the lace starts to increase is right here at the 4.5 inches, and it'll expand up until you get to the middle portion of the wig, and that's where you get that 2.5 inch of lace. So not much parting space, but it should be enough though.
Flipping the wig back over, this is the left side of the wig.
They do consider this a natural hairline, and they do tell you that they pre-pluck the wig, but I don't think it's really natural. So if you want a natural hairline for this wig, you will have to do some plucking. So you got some work to do.
See, this wig has very light plucking on the hairline.
So let's move to the middle portion of the wig.
And as far as the lace color, definitely going to look into tinting the lace so that the color suits me better. Let's move to the other side of the wig, the right side.
Now the other thing that I will say is that the lace does feel a little rough. It does feel a little bit scratchy, so you'll definitely have to wear a wig cap under this so it doesn't snag any edges on your head.
But this is the lace that we are working with, so we are going to try it on very soon.
So far I'm excited to try on this wig because the hair is big, it's a lot of hair, and I love curls, and it's long. So we already winning. You guys know I'm biased for big curls automatically. I'm biased. But let's go ahead and try on this wig. Okay guys, so I have the wig on, and oh my goodness, look at all this hair. So I created a middle part on this wig because I felt that was the best look for me. I wanted to show you guys the middle part before I pin it back because I feel like pinning this wig back will make it look so much better. But I'm really digging the middle part right now. But let me show you what I'm talking about. I think it's so much better. I like this style. This wig make me feel like I'm back in college to my young self, you know? When I wear this wig out, this will for sure be my go-to hairstyle. Another thing I will say is that this wig is big head friendly. I have a lot of space in my head. I don't feel like my head is suffocating. This wig feels so comfortable on my head. This is so much hair. Oh my goodness. I love it. And again, I do have my wig cap on, so the lace feels fine on my head with my wig cap. I'm not worried about my edges.
Now showing the hairline up close. I think I can definitely glue down this lace if I wanted to. I will say that I love how full this lace is. Like, there is not a spot on this lace that doesn't have a strand of hair coming out, and I love that. So what you can do is pluck it more or even create baby hair. It's completely up to you. There is so much potential of the different things that you can do with this wig, and you already know I love to manipulate lace fronts, so let's go. Maybe glue it down, create some baby hair, and pre-pluck the hairline all over again. I don't know, just ideas right now. Either way, we have a lot of work to do, my friends. A lot of work. So overall, I rate this wig a 7 out of 10, losing 1 point because it does shed, losing a 2nd point because it does tangle at the ends, and losing a 3rd point because the lace front is not 13 by 4 inches wide as they advertise.
But again, that's not a deal breaker because I love how this wig looks on me. It is super cute. I cannot wait to cut the lace and rock it outside, honey. Yes. Even though the lace parting space is not that big, I will still wear this wig. No deal breakers at all. Not at all. So that's all for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, comment down below. And if you like this wig, definitely give this video a thumbs up. And be sure that you are subscribed to Slate Secrets YouTube channel.
So I will see you in the next video.